Liam, hello baby boy. Today is, I think, August 5th. Yes, it's August 5th today. Yeah, look at how big you're getting. Yeah, look at you. Such a big boy. Just all resting. Let's see, you are how many days old today? So the 31st you were 11 days, and we're 5 days, so you're 16 days old today. So hard to believe that 16 days ago you were just born. I'd say you weigh about almost 7 pounds. Yeah. You've been a little cranky the last couple of days, but that's because I think of your circumcision, so. You got that done on Friday, July 31st. Okay, sweetheart. Well, I'll let you get a nap in because I know you're sleepy. I love you, my precious little boy. Okay? Mama loves you. Bye-bye.